hysterical movie. The main actress screams like no one I've ever seen scream before, and does quite a dance with the chainsaw.
It's from the first one.
No, she danced.
Yeah, they stole it from the first one.
And the characters are ridiculous. The kills are ridiculous. But we're thinking it's supposed to be kind of funny. Yeah, it's from the director. It's ghastly and hilarious.
Yeah, it's got the pelvic thrust.
Oh, yeah.
We found this last night.
Dennis Hopper.
Yeah, we would have got
Killed
more.
his brother's children, and today he's in luck.
We would have got more. I would have got Blu-rays, but now they took their 50% off, which I'm really upset about. Comments on that? Comments on that?
What was it?
About tunes.
That is a total bummer. They took away their 50% off, which really makes a very, very, very big difference. And makes some of their stuff priced actually way too expensive. $15, $16, $18 for a Blu-ray used. That's a little absurd.
$11 for just one.
Yeah, so we're a little disappointed. Hoping they switch it back.
Oh, the other one hasn't done it yet, so.
No.
Voorhees.
Alright. Signing off.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Would you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up for just being silly. 2 thumbs up.